Click the Curtain Wall command from the Facade menu. Click the Settings icon from the Curtain Wall toolbar. In the General tab, enter 300 cm in the height value. From the Unit Scheme tab, enter 110 cm for M1 and M2. Enter 250 cm for T1 and 50 cm for T2. Click the OK button to close the dialog. Click the A2 axis intersection as your starting point. Then click on the lower left corner of the column, located at the A3 axis intersection. Press the spacebar to change the direction of the curtain wall. Click the right mouse button to end the command. Curtain wall is completed. Click on the Exterior Veneer command. Click the Settings icon from the Exterior Veneer toolbar. Check the option for lap siding. Enter 300 cm in the height section value line. Click the OK button to close the dialog. Click the A2 axis intersection as your starting point, then click on the A1 axis intersection. Click the right mouse button to end the command. Exterior Veneer is completed.